In this video, I'll talk about how you can use Photon Robot to incorporate the basics of programming into your teaching. Thanks to Photon Robot, learning to program is automatic and takes place alongside and parallel to basic subjects. By completing simple topic-related tasks, students begin their adventure with coding and programming. When working with the youngest students, you may take full advantage of the robot's light and sound effects, which will help them program movement, music, and even syllables or numbers. One of the most straightforward interfaces, Photon Draw, enables you to program the sounds, lights, and movements of the robot. What's more, it also introduces the first reactions to sensors related to the wait for command. Since the interface is designed for younger students, the commands appear in graphical form. A great addition to the Photon Draw app is the Photon Educational Mat. The mat allows you to create challenges for children in the form of stories or puzzles based on graphical elements. Photon Draw also includes a robot motion simulator compatible with the educational mat. It is also worth mentioning that creating even the simplest programs develops computational thinking skills. Computational thinking means first defining the problem by breaking it down into its basic elements, removing all distractions, and then, similar to a computer, finding the simplest way to achieve the goal. This skill is extremely important throughout the children's development, so it is vital to cultivate it alongside the increase in knowledge. Photon Badge introduces the command of creating and calling functions in a simple and clear fashion. This allows students to learn by actually doing rather than by listening to theoretical explanations. By asking students to program the robot to stop at each field marked by a circle, randomly change the color of its eyes and ears, and play a happy sound, you teach them how to create and execute simple functions while reviewing topics in the area of geometric figures. Photon can be seen as your work partner and as your student's friend. It allows you to connect its adventures to program development. Using Photon blocks and Photon code, you and your students can create many programs that relate to Photon's behaviors and reactions based on its sensors. On our portal, you will find sample challenges and story-based questions based on the robot's fictional adventures to get kids started on creating more advanced programs. To sum up, with Photon Robot, you can introduce programming in a form of play as early as kindergarten. Using basic interfaces, you can teach children how to use all of the robot's sensors. Thanks to the attractive graphical interface, you can teach programming to the youngest of students. In Photon Draw and Badge, you can preview the robot's behavior before running the program. You can make programming more approachable by basing your classes on the exciting adventures of the Photon Robot. This works great with the younger students. Go to our education portal to find exciting programming challenges.